Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 14.3 question number 3. Work out the following divisions. Let us find the divisions. Here you see question number 1 is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. We can write it this way that 10x minus 25 divided by 5. If we take 5 as common, then 5 to the 10 x minus 5 divided by 5. This 5 will cancel and the answer is 2x minus 5. Answer is 2x minus 5, and that is the answer of question number 1. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5, or it can be written as 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. If we take 5 as common, then we are getting 5 to the 10x minus 5 divided by 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5 will cancel this one. Therefore, the answer is 5. Answer of question number 2 is 5. We will solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is 10y into 6y plus 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. 2y plus 7. Therefore, it can be written as 10y. If we take common 3 as common, then we are getting 3 2 is 6, 2y plus 3 7 is 21 divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. Here you see 2y plus 7 will cancel, and 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Therefore, we are getting 3 into 2, that is 6y. The answer is 6y. 6 is the answer of question number 3. This is the answer of question number 3. Now we will solve question number 4 and 5. Now you see, we solve question number 4. Here you see question number 4 is 9 x square y square 3z minus 24 divided by 27 xy z minus 8. Therefore, we can write in this way that 9 x square y square 3z minus 24 divided by 27 xy into z minus 8, or it can be written as 9 x square y square. Take common 3 as common, 3 common 3, z minus 3 8z24 divided by 27 xy into z minus 8. You see, z minus 8 will cancel, and we are getting 3 9 27 x square y square divided by 27 xy. This will cancel, and x square y square divided by xy is equal to xy, and that is the answer of question number 4. To solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30, 5b minus 30 divided by 144 a minus 4 b minus 6. Therefore, it can be written as 96 ABC. If we take 3 as common, then we are getting a minus 4. Again, if we take 5 as common, then we are getting b minus 6 divided by 144 a minus 4 into b minus 6. This b minus 6 will cancel, and a minus 4 will also cancel, right? That we are getting 3 5 15, 96 into 15, 5 6 30, 45, 348, 6 1 6, 9 1 9, 0, 8 6 14, 4 carry 1, and 1 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 1440. Then we are getting 1440 ABC divided by 144. Therefore, if we cut it 1, it is 1 0. So we are getting the answer as 10 ABC. 10 ABC. That is the answer of question number 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.